Millie the Mouse likes making tasty treats for her mouse friends Tess and Bess to eat. Sunny sunflower soup with sesame seeds. Salad with lettuce and a sprinkling of cress. And all sorts of cheesecake is what they like best. Today, Millie is making strawberry mousse ice cream cakes. Delicious. Digby can't get to sleep. His brothers and sisters are snuggled down in a higgledy-piggledy pile of puppy dogs, all fast asleep, as snug as bugs in rugs. Digby isn't sleepy. He wants to play. Digby wriggles and wiggles and jiggles about. Look at his wiggledy-waggledy tail. Wig, wag, wiggledy-wag. Digby's brothers and sisters say, "Digby, go away. We can't sleep with you wriggling, wiggling and jiggling and your tail wig, wag, wagging. Go away. Find somewhere else to play." Nat the Bat is small and fat and loves to chitter, chatter, chat. Chitter, chatter, chitter, chatter, chat, chat, chat. Nat the Chatty Bat chats to horses, dogs and cats. Clitter, clatter, clitter, clatter, chitter, chatter, chitter, chatter, chat, chat, chat.